If you've ever wanted an AI assistant to handle your note taking, Google Keep just got a massive upgrade. Today, I'm showing you how to use Gemini on your laptop to create, organize, and append to your Google Keep notes without ever typing a single bullet point yourself. Just know that although I'm using this on a laptop, you can also do this using your smartphone. Before we start, we have to make sure Gemini has permission to talk to Keep. So go to gemini.google.com. And then what you want to do is click on the settings gear icon and then look for connected apps. In here, you want to make sure that this setting is turned on. And as you can see, Google Keep is one of the options here. So let's go back to Gemini. And let's create a note. Now what we want to do is hit the search submit button. And it says that it has added that note to Google Keep. You can switch over to your Google Keep tab and see that that has updated into Google Keep. One of the best features is adding to notes you already have. However, you have to be specific with your language. So say something like, okay, let's see if we go in here. Okay, so it wasn't able to create it with checkboxes. That was just a test. But it can update and remove things from your Google Keep note. And that's basically all there is to it.